Now, as students preparing for exam, it is foolishness to wait until a day to exam to know your level of readiness. It is foolishness for you to wait probably on the day of exam when they bring the question before you, for you to now know your level of strength and your level of weakness. As a matter of fact, I tell students, a day to exam is not a day for you to read. It's not a day for you to read. It's a day for you to rest and calm your brain so your blood can flow freely. So that when you enter exam hall, you're entering exam hall tension free, without fear. So what am I trying to say? Now that you see about 6 months, you should be evaluating yourself every day to know your level of readiness for the exam. I mean, every day. You should know how ready you are. And the only way you can know how ready you are is practicing past questions deliberately, consciously, not just stop a little and go. You sit down every day, pick your series, and give yourself time and solve. If it is 50 objective questions, try to solve. After solving 50 questions without checking their answers, after solving all, you now check the answer and mark. And you now evaluate yourself. Okay, out of 50, what did I get? Oh, I got 10 over 50. I am not ready for what? For what now? Exam. That's it. I am not ready. 10 over 50. That is what? F what? F9. And I say I'm not ready. That's 6 months to exam. You now say, okay, you now note the ones that are giving you tough time. You go and read them. Already you know the ones that you already know. The ones you pass, I'm good in this one. Yes, I know this one. The following day after reading, you now go and solve again. You keep evaluating yourself that way. As in continuously. Before exam time, you will know your level of readiness. So when I ask you, are we making progress in this subject? All I expect from you is to tell me your level of what? Readiness for the exam. If I may ask, how many of you sat down? Since we resumed this time, how many of you have sat down to solve years? I mean, pick series and pick a particular year and try to solve you. How many of you? Now, it's not solving, just pick question and just solve 1 or 2 and leave the remaining one. That's not what we're talking about. I mean, you have a notebook that you now write, okay, 2019 question. You now sit down and boom, and solve, write the answers, and mark, and grade yourself. Alright? I will check your notes. I will check that notes. Short. I am telling all of you now, get a what? Get a notebook and then use your series. Pick different years. You just start from 1978 and all of that. And be solving year by year. You understand? And be evaluating yourself. I get what I'm saying. So with that, you will know how ready you are. Now, as a matter of fact, if you know how ready you are, there are some topics that your teacher may want to revise with you. You just say to the teacher, please don't revise this one. We already know this one. So you have been practicing questions and you know them. So that will save us spending more time on some topics that are actually not relevant because you know them already. Do you understand what I'm saying? So as students, all I'm saying is what? Learn what? Learn how to what? Evaluate yourself. Months before what? Before exam. See you next time.